Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadin ke Jingkhynra ke farmhouse ke belatip kum ke rumpu bagan ke janmit jong ke Saiñpyrthei ding ke belalong try du MDC ke GHADC bedairu vice president ke BJP Meghalaya Bernard and Marak hagaban nakaliang ki pulit ki lakno bakatai ke Jaka ke lalong kum ke ketem auria nakaliang ke Meghalaya Assembly Committee on Empowerment of Women lingba ke chairperson ke kong Ampareen lingdo abakren sikilat pathai kubor ke sining kong ke ong ba ke committee kam Kwah ban kren AA Halor ke te ke Jingkhynra ke bela sapriang ke leng kilat pathai kubor henrei ke te ke Jinglap ye ki sanwat ki kena ke dei ke basisha kelai thu ba ke committee ke lakhot ye kren ye ke tenat social welfare ke pratrik ubnai nailar ban ai jing pinchai bat kumju ke ong ba ke tenat social welfare ke dei ban tokit Halor ke jinglong jingman jong ki te ki sanwat ki kena ki belayo na ke te ke ketem Kalong bakam Kwah ban Kynthoh Saiñpyrthei AA Halor kate ke Jingkhynra na markum ke committee ke Kwah ban page ban ai jing bishar hok Kynthoh bat Jingkhynra.
And if there has been a rescue of minors from that location, then I think it is but correct for police authorities to inquire, probe, investigate. Question of who is involved is beyond my capacity to comment. But the fact remains that yes, there was a raid, there was a rescue, and we have to figure out what happened there. Other than that, to me, a crime against a fellow woman is a crime against a fellow woman. It does not wait for elections, it does not wait after elections, but it is an offense which women must rally together against. We cannot allow any kind of atrocity against fellow women across the state. And it is our responsibility to highlight and to bring and to call attention to any occurrence of such crimes. It is unfair that young girls were held hostage. It is unfair that there is relevant information to that context. Other than that, we await to call for a formal meeting on the 8th of August to further understand what exactly happened, what is it that went on, why did it go on, and who is involved. In fact, we are abstaining from commenting on the entire report that is now taking center stage in all media organization. Everybody in the Northeast is talking about it. We would not like to comment on truth versus untruth, but we know for a fact, it has been verified that 5 minors have been rescued from that location. We are summoning the Social Welfare Department on the 8th of August to inquire on the well-being of these 5 minors that were rescued from this brothel in one part of the state. It is very, very concerning. We are going to have better information by the 8th of August. Right now, today, because we were with the officials of the Social Welfare Department, we have already told them to sumoto take necessary steps in action to rescue these young girls and to ensure that they are not succumbed to any pressure from the media, number 1. Number 2, immediately to provide all medical assistance for the well-being of these 5 minors who were rescued from that brothel. There is also one child in conflict with law. We are yet to receive all these details, but we have already preliminary information that it is a fact that there was a rescue made, but we do not have further information on the matter.